So here's how to sell logos online. But before we start, you can go ahead and click on my link down in the description to try out Canva Pro. Canva is a versatile online graphic design platform used to create a variety of content. And as you can see, we're currently in the Canva website. From here, first off, let's check out their pricing plans. Over here, you will get to see all the plans that they offer, starting with free, Pro, and Teams. You can check out what these plans offer right below them. You can also see their monthly and yearly pricing. Then, on the top, you can see a section that says Education. Over here, you can see some more options to choose from. Now, let's click on Canva on the top left corner to head over to the Canva dashboard. From here, let's click on Create a Design on the top left, and then you will get to see all of these options to choose from. I will select a random one from here. You can search for logos and choose from there. After that, on the left panel on this page, click on Elements and use the search bar to search for logos. Over here, you can see a lot of logos that you can choose from, or you can customize your own logo from scratch. But for the purpose of this video, I will just choose from the elements available here. And as you can see, there are a lot of options to choose from. Let's go with this one. So after adding your elements, you can readjust the size according to your preference. You can go back to the left panel and then add additional items to your logo to customize it further. If you want to readjust the position, you can click on the certain element and move it around to fit your needs. And if you want to adjust the size, just drag it from the border and adjust its size. This way, you will get a lot of options to customize your logo. And if you want to lock it in place, just click on the part and click on this lock icon. And to change the color, just click on the section and choose the color option on the top. Then, you will be able to choose the color from the left panel. This way, you will see additional options to edit on the top. Also, on the left panel, you have multiple other customization options you can use, such as the filters that you can see on the screen. This way, you can scroll through and add any filter that you want. Once you're done, click on Share on the top right and click on Download. After that, click on Download again to download it onto your device. Here, you will get to see this bar that indicates the download progress. Once done, let's head over to gumroad.com. Once you're in the website, you need to click on Login on the top right to log in to your account. Then over here, you can choose from all of these options available. You can also use your email and password to sign in. I will use Google. After clicking on Google, you need to choose your Google account from the options. After that, you will be redirected to your Gumroad homepage. Once here, you will get to see all of these metrics, and on the left, you can see these options available. Let's click on Products, and over here, you can see all products. Then we have Affiliated, which lets you become an affiliate and earn. After that, we have Collabs. This is where you can create your first collab. For now, we will choose All Products, then click on New Product on the top right. After that, on this page, you will need to put in the name for your product. So for this, I will type in something random like logo design. After putting in the name, you need to select the product type. And from these options, I will go with digital product. And on the services section, you can choose any of these if they're applicable. Then, on the pricing, you can set the currency that you want. After that, just type in the price for your logo. Once you're done putting in the price, scroll up and click on Next. So once you're here on the next page, you will need to put in additional details such as the description. So type in a description for your logo. Make sure it reflects and gives detailed information about your product, which is the logo. After typing it in, you can use these options on the top to customize it further. As you can see, we've changed the text style. You can also insert a link if you want. So go through these options and customize your description according to your preference. And if you go to the Insert section, you can see all of these things that you can insert on your description. And on the URL section, you will see your URL. And on the custom domain section, you can add a custom domain if you want. Moving on, we have the cover. Just click on Upload and choose from where you want to upload. Then select the file and click OK. Now, the cover is being uploaded onto Gumroad. As you can see, it's already done. Now scroll down further, and on the thumbnail section, you can add a different thumbnail if you want. Then we have call to action. You can choose a specific one from here. After that, you will see the summary section. Here, you can put in a short summary for your product. This can give a quick insight about your product to your potential customers. For now, I will type in something like discount for first buyers, but you can write whatever you want. After that, on the additional details section, you can put in more details if you need. This way, you can add as many additional details as you want. But for now, I will remove these. And on the integration section, you will get to see these options that you can enable or disable. Next, we have pricing. And right below it, you have some more options that you can enable. Go through them and make your desired changes. And after you're done with the pricing, we will get to see the version section. Here, you can add multiple variations for your product if you have any, but for now, we will remove this. Next up, we have settings. So go through these options and enable or disable whichever ones you want and click on Save and Continue on the top right corner. So here on the next page, you can put in additional details for your logo and then click on Publish and Continue on the top right corner. So on this page, you will get to see the sharing options for your logo design. So right under Share, you have these options to share your link right away, or you can copy your URL. After that, you can customize the profile section if you want. But for now, we will go back. Now scroll down and you have the Gumroad Discover section. Here, you can set a category for your product, which will help Gumroad push your product to potential customers. So I will type in logo and choose the relevant category. After that, on the tag section, you can add multiple tags for your product, and this will help boost your SEO. Adding tags will make it easier for people to find your product. So once you're done here, just scroll up to the top and click on Publish and Continue on the top right corner. But before that, you can get a preview of your store. Just go over to the preview section and click on this preview icon. You will then be redirected to the preview web page. This is how it will look like to your potential customers. You will get to see the actual demo of the live page. And now you can just go ahead and start selling. And that is exactly how to sell logos online.